Hello guys, in this video we are gonna see the Platinum Fashion Mall from Bangkok. The Platinum Fashion Mall consists of 6 stories with more than 2,000 shopping stores for visitors. Platinum Fashion Mall is one of best wholesalers and retail outlets for visitors to do good shopping. Platinum Fashion Mall is offering variety of clothes, women's accessories, luggage and many others for shoppers. Many of retail stores selling the product very cheap, thus many visitors are loving to do shopping here. The Platinum Fashion Mall is opening from 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. for visitors. Best thing in this Platinum Fashion Mall is no need of bargains, as mentioned you will get for good price. Many storekeepers will also give the great discounts for buyers. Better to have money in hand to shop here, as many local sellers are only accepting cash instead of card. Sixth floor of this shopping mall offering you snacks and foods. There are many international restaurants. Platinum Fashion Mall is situated at the prime location of Bangkok. Visitors easily come here by public transport. Recommend to visit this shopping mall over weekdays by visitors to avoid overcrowded. For small amount of cash, visitors can buy bulk items. Mostly, visitors come out with big bags with huge items. At 5th floor of this mall is having huge collections for kids, especially clothes and accessories. There is also a huge parking from 6th to 10th floors for visitors. Nearby you have many other shopping malls as well as food options. Overall, you need 2 to 3 hours to visit the entire shopping mall. Hope you like the video and the information is provided here. Kindly follow our channel by like, comment, share and subscribe for more good videos. Thank you so much for watching Kanaulagam Travel Guide.